This is demonstrating how I use the lockpick puck. You get a lockpick puck, you unscrew the top of the skull. You have this section here. Whether you use a long wire, you put it in, put it down, it holds in. Okay. Or you can use the shorter one, put it in, fold down, and it holds. Okay, well, it's 1.5, 1.6. Once it's in there, I put the fingers around the edge to centralise it, put it on, give it a turn. That's it, job done, it's on there. Okay, no twisting, no rattling. That's it, job done, and easy to just unscrew. And then swap it out very quick. Push it in, push it down, screw it on. Yep, no rattle, no clicking on the twisting. Perfect. Okay, cheers.